Craving something uniquely Nigerian? Let's make abacha, the African salad that's rich, tasty, and bursting with flavor. Abacha, also called African tapioca salad, comes straight from eastern Nigeria, a favorite made from dried cassava and shared in joyful gatherings. Here's what you'll need.
Start by soaking your dried abacha in warm water for a few minutes, just until it softens. Not soggy, just tender and ready to mix. Now mix your softened abacha into the oil base. We finish with the garden eggs. Our vibrant abacha is now complete and ready to be served. Enjoy! For the richest taste, use Olubrooklyn Foods crayfish and prawns. Fresh, clean, and full of flavor. Like, share,
and subscribe for more authentic Nigerian recipes.